Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on privacy mode in Wispr Flow AI. First, open the Wispr Flow app on your device. You can use it on Android, iPhone, Mac, or Windows, so just launch the app normally. Next, tap or click on Settings, and then navigate to the Data and Privacy section where all your data controls are available. After that, look for the Privacy Mode option. This setting controls how your voice data and dictation are handled inside the app. Now, turn privacy mode on. Toggle the switch to enable it. Once this is turned on, your voice data is not stored on servers. Your dictation is processed in real time and then immediately deleted after use. Make sure the toggle stays on. When privacy mode is enabled, some features like Improve AI may be turned off automatically. Since your data is no longer used for training. Finally, understand what privacy mode does. It ensures that no audio recordings or transcripts are saved. Your data is not used for AI training and everything stays private on your device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.